Lecture 10. Downloading, printing, and sharing your design. You have reached the final step. After all the efforts you have put into creating your design, choosing fonts, customizing colors, and adding images and icons, it's time to share it with the world. In this last lecture, you will learn how to download, print, and share your Canva designs correctly. Whether you're posting online, sending a file to someone, or preparing something for professional printing, these steps make sure your design looks just as good off screen as it does on it. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you will be able to download your Canva design in the correct format. Choose between file types like PNG, JPG, and PDF. Share your design with others using a link or collaboration option. Prepare a file for printing with the correct settings. Downloading your design. When your design is ready, click on this share icon in here at the top right corner. Then select download in here. You can click on that. This opens a panel where you can choose a file type and resolution. Let's learn a few common options. When you click on that in here, there is an option called PNG. PNG is great for images that need to be high quality, like social media posts or presentation slides. It's clear, crisp, and keeps sharp edges, especially for text and icons. JPG is smaller in size, making it better for web use when file size matters more than sharpness. Great for photo-based posts. The next we have PDF standard in here. PDF standard is ideal for sharing your designs digitally, like resumes, posters, or documents that need to be printed or emailed. PDF print is of higher quality and includes settings like crop marks and bleed, which are helpful if you are printing professionally. Example, when creating a business flyer, you would download it as a PDF print to send to a print shop. But if you are posting an Instagram graphic, go with PNG for sharp visuals. Download settings that help. Before hitting download, always double check a few small things. If your design has multiple pages, make sure to select the ones you want to download or all pages. For example, you just select this one, PDF standard, and here you can see we have 14 pages, and when you just click on this drop down button, it lets us know that if you want to print all the pages, current page as we are on the number 1 page, or you can manually select any of these. For example, you just check all these and uncheck that, and you can select, for example, 1, 5, 9, and 11. So for example, you just want to download these ones, like here you can see pages 1, 5, 9, and 11. So you can click on this done, and only these pages will be downloaded. But as we just want to download all the pages, so you will just go in here again, click on all pages and click on done. For transparent backgrounds, only available in Pro, use PNG and check the transparent background box. For example, you just click in here, go to PNG, and here you can see you can check on transparent backgrounds. Then only text will be printed. But as this is for only pros, so we can't choose it for now, unfortunately. But you can use it if you have a Pro version in here. And you can try Pro for 30 days for free as well, on a trial basis. For printing, check crop marks and bleed if your printer requests it. Sharing your design online. Canva makes it easy to share your design directly without needing to download it at all. Click share in here, and you will see options like access level. For example, if you want to share with someone, and you can just click on that, and you can just click on this anyone with the link, and here is the option that the person who has the link can edit, can comment only, or can view only. And for security reasons, or if you don't want this presentation to be edited, then you can just click on this can view only, so the person can view this project but cannot edit it or comment on it. And when you just click on this copy link, and you can just share it with anyone you would want to like. Or if you want to keep it more secure, then you can just add people by adding emails in here. You can just add people in here, and for example, you just write an email in here as editor@eduta.org, and you can add an option message as well and click on share, and this person can edit as well. Or if you want to change it to can comment only, then you can just check on this and click on share. and this specific person will have access to this file. Publish directly to social media. For example, if you want to publish this project to any social media platform, for that you can just click on see all, scroll down, and here you have options like LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, and when you just click on the see all, you have X, or formerly called Twitter, as well, TikTok, Facebook story, Pinterest, Tumblr, and all these options available. So you can use any of these, and this specific file will be shared through these pages. Example: say you are working on a class presentation with a partner. You can invite them by email, and both can edit the slides in real time from anywhere. Printing your design. If you are printing at home, downloading your file as a PDF standard or PDF print is usually enough. But for professional printing, you will want to be a bit more precise. Use PDF print format for higher quality output. Crop marks and bleed turned on. This helps the printer trim the designs accurately. CMYK friendly colors. Canva automatically adjusts your colors in PDF print downloads to be more compatible with professional printers. We choose CMYK ink, cyan, magenta, yellow, and black instead of the RGB colors your screen displays. Why this matters? Colors you see on the screen can look different when printed. That neon pink or bright blue may not come out the same. Using CMYK friendly colors gives you a more accurate print result. Example: let's say you have designed a business card with a bright turquoise background. On screen it pops, but if printed using RGB values, it may look dull or slightly off. Canva's PDF print export helps adjust for that by optimizing your colors for CMYK printing. Final tip: always preview first. Before downloading or sending your design, always take a quick look using preview mode. It lets you flip through pages, check spacing, and make sure everything looks polished, especially if your design has multiple elements or layers. For that, you can just click in here, present full screen, and here you can see, you can just use mouse or press arrow keys to go next. So here you can see everything looks perfect, the icons as well, headings as well, paragraphs as well, and the images as well. They looks aligned, the icons looks aligned as well, and this is the slide we made, and this is the image we added. So everything looks perfect. You can just press ESC and go back to the design. Your project that you have been working on throughout this course is now ready to be shared with the world.